Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set a till sunrise alert on your Garmin Fenix 7 series watch. I'm using the 7X Solar Sapphire, but it shouldn't matter which version of the Garmin Fenix 7 you've got. This video should work the same for everybody. I'll also say I'm not going to touch the watch in today's video. I've done a video in the past that shows you how to do this on the watch. Instead, today I'm going to be showing you how to do it in the Garmin Connect app on your cell phone, because with the Fenix 7 you can go in your Garmin Connect app, do all of your settings for your alerts, and then you can just send the information over to your watch, and that's what we're going to do today. So let's go ahead and let's go look at the Garmin Connect app on our cell phone. Okay, so as I mentioned, now I'm on my cell phone. Now I'm an Apple user. It doesn't matter whether you're an iOS or Android user, this video should work for you. What you're going to have is the Garmin Connect app. I'm going to go ahead and go into the Garmin Connect app. And then once we get in there, at the very bottom right, you're going to see an option with 3 dots that says More. I'm going to click on More. And then I'm going to scroll up under More until I see Garmin Devices. Again, I'm going to click on Garmin Devices. Now, in my case, I've got 2 of them out there. You should be looking for your Fenix 7. I've got the 7X Solar Sapphire. You're just going to click on your Fenix 7. And then once you go in there, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're basically looking at the configuration for your watch. You'll see the option for System. We're going to click on System. And then the till sunrise alert is going to be under time, just like on our watch. So we're going to click on time, then we're going to click on alerts, and there we have till sunrise. You can see that mine's currently off. I'm going to click on the till sunrise alert. I can simply toggle it to on, and then just like on the watch, once you've toggled it to on, you can click on the time and you can adjust the time accordingly. So I can set it for, let's say, 1 hour even. Once I'm done, I'm going to click done, and then I can simply click on the back arrow up at the top. Now we've successfully turned on our till sunrise alert. We've adjusted the time. The next time we sync our Garmin Connect to our watch, it'll take that setting and it'll put it on our watch. We didn't have to touch our watch at all to turn the sunrise alert on. So you can do it either way. You can do it on the watch if you prefer. Maybe you don't have access to your phone, you want to turn it on, that's fine. Or you can do it on your cell phone through the Garmin Connect app. The way we just did here, send it to your phone, send it to your watch, and you're good to go. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.